Hey, hey, how you doing? This is John Hobbs here in Cancun. Yeah, it's rocking here. We're at the Hard Rock with a whole bunch of successful real estate investors. They're just piling in. There will be a whole bunch more before this meeting gets started. But I'm here with a really good friend, Eric, and he wants to tell you his experience when it comes to this real estate investment group we're part of. So what do you have to say, Eric?
Hey there, everybody. So I'm personally very excited about this particular real estate group. I had done one deal prior to joining this group, but I really didn't know how to start scaling this real estate game. I mean, I was very happy with the first deal I had done. I created a single-family home that was actually generating me $1,200 net income every month. That said, I had no idea how to scale it. I joined up with this group, and now I have one more deal completely done. It's like one more week of renovations, and then it's going to be making me $2,000 a month. And now through this meeting, I've actually got pretty much secured funding for 6 more. And just prior to showing up here in Cancun, Mexico, I got the funding solidified under contract for 1 more property. I'm so damn excited about how this whole group works out. I honestly, oh man, my life has gone from like completely stuck in a laboratory, not going anywhere outside of more test tubes and shiny equipment that goes. This place has changed my life. I love it.
Well, and what's your name again?
My name's Eric Anderson. My company is KC Viking Realty, and I've personally gone from being a molecular biologist to making tons of real estate deals happen and helping other people get started. I love this place.
Wow, that's absolutely fantastic, Eric. I'm so appreciative that you've taken the time to share with my audience, your audience, Adele's, Anthony's, and Leon, so we all know, get a better feel for what's going on and what's happening in the community. And I thank you very much. And I'm going to be thank you. So I'm going to be signing off here. We're about to go through an awesome training. This whole trip is a 100% write-off, and this is what we teach, and it's about fun, a little learning, and a lot more fun. So till next time, which is going to be a little later today when I interview somebody else, see you then. Bye.